Hey guys, what's going on? So not long ago, I showed you how to make this super simple oscillation fidget spinner. Okay? Alright, so as promised, I'm going to show you how to make this one right here. Okay? Remember this one? Let's do it with the points right here. Oops, yeah, this is trickier to spin. Okay? Alright, here goes. So, for this model, I'm going to use this square. Okay? Alright, so for a blue fidget spinner, let's begin blue side down, and we're gonna fold in half in all directions. Okay, just like this. Okay, just like this. Now unfold and fold the 4 points to the middle. Okay, just like this, and fold the 4 points to the middle again. Like this. Alright, like that. Now, fold the 4 points to the middle one more time. Okay, just like this. Now, fold in half. Like this. Okay. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this down about like this. Okay? Just like that. And fold the other one down as well. Just about like that. Okay? These 2 points are these 2 points to spin it. Okay? Alright. So yeah, here we made this one right here. Okay? Okay? So yeah, but to make it look like this, we're gonna do is we're gonna fold. Just pick a point, okay? I'm gonna do this one, so I'm gonna fold this down like this, okay? And make sure that this edge aligns with this edge. Okay, just do it about like that, okay? And on this one, we're gonna fold it up like this, okay? And make sure that that this edge aligns with this edge. Okay, just like that. Okay, and now you can kind of make them so they stick. This sticks up and this sticks down like this. And alright, so now to spin it, you just hold these 2 points right here and you just spin it like this. Okay, so yeah, be careful so it doesn't hit your fingers and stuff. Okay. Okay, you just have to have the right amount of tension to make it spin well, okay? Oh, yeah, it takes practice, okay? Okay, alright, well, hope you enjoyed folding this, and comment, rate, and subscribe, and yeah, I'm not really good at it. There, it takes luck sometimes, okay? Alright, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.